Yes.
Drew Carrick here on the scene with flowcademy. What a tremendous honor. What do you have to say to the folks at home?
Hi, I'm a CPA, and I just finished my 40 hours of CPE with flowcademy.
And I'm a professional skeptic.
So you're
Also a CPA. Hey, I noticed you completed your 40 hours, but you're not restless, agitated, or working through an existential crisis. Huh.
With flowcademy, it was super easy. Went by quicker than a modern-day attention span and was less painful than a temporary tattoo.
Brought my own sponge.
I just watched entertaining talk shows, listened to a true crime podcast, and even rocked out to a CPE album.
Seems convenient. A little too convenient.
That'll be $39.99.
With over 100 available credits and 25,000 users, flowcademy is by far the most convenient way to earn CPE. It's more convenient than online shopping.
Package for CPA.
I didn't order anything.
That was for me.
You might say, flowcademy is more convenient than non-stick pans.
Not the New Balance!
Some even say flowcademy is more convenient than portable steamers.
Well, if it's that convenient, it's gotta be expensive.
We spent $1 million.
Let's give it away for free. Now that's convenient.
A little too convenient. Open your eyes! Don't you see? It's a brand play!
Duh! Just because it's a brand play doesn't mean it's not convenient.
I bet it's only high-level, non-technical CPE courses then.
In this white paper, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the factors that accounting teams must consider when adopting SOX 404A. Recognize
So, what do you think?
It is too convenient.
flowcademy. If it seems too convenient, that's 'cause it is.